Here are different points on how to keep a small home neat and clean. Cleaning routine. 1. Create a schedule. Set aside time each day or week to clean and maintain your home. 2. Declutter regularly. Get rid of items you no longer need or use to prevent clutter buildup. 3. Clean as you go. Clean up messes and spills immediately to prevent them from becoming bigger problems. Organization. 1. Assign a place. Assign a specific place for each item, making it easier to find and put away. 2. Use storage containers. Use storage bins, baskets, or boxes to keep items organized and out of sight. 3. Label and sign. Label and sign storage containers to help you and others know what's inside. Daily habits. 1. Make your bed. Make your bed every morning to create a sense of order and tidiness. 2. Wipe down surfaces. Wipe down surfaces, such as countertops and sinks, after use. 3. Put away belongings. Put away belongings after use, such as toys, books, or kitchen utensils. Weekly tasks. 1. Vacuum and mop. Vacuum and mop floors to keep them clean and dust-free. 2. Dust and polish. Dust furniture and polish surfaces to keep them clean and shiny. 3. Clean bathrooms. Clean bathrooms, including sinks, toilets, showers, and bathtubs. Deep cleaning. 1. Schedule deep cleaning sessions. Set aside time each month or season for deep cleaning tasks, such as cleaning the oven or refrigerator. 2. Focus on high-traffic areas. Pay extra attention to high-traffic areas, such as entryways and hallways. 3. Don't forget hidden spaces. Clean hidden spaces, such as closets and cupboards, to prevent dust and dirt buildup. Tips and tricks. 1. Use multi-purpose cleaning products. Use multi-purpose cleaning products to simplify cleaning and reduce clutter. 2. Keep cleaning supplies organized. Keep cleaning supplies organized and easily accessible. 3. Get the whole family involved. Get the whole family involved in cleaning and maintaining the home to share the responsibility. By following these points, you can keep your small home neat and clean, and make the most of your space.